Welcome to our time travel tour. We are here at the original site of the Justus Burdick house, which was built in 1838. Justus Burdick's job was to get the money together and buy the materials to build a new county courthouse in that year, and he sort of added on the cost of building himself a new house across the street onto that. And he got a really good price. So his house originally faced the Radisson today in exactly the site where the Exchange building is going up. In the 1850s, though, this house needed to be moved because they were building some new commercial blocks facing the Radisson. And so they moved it around the corner to where the Comerica building is today. So I guess you could call this a mobile home. And then in 1881, when everybody had gotten the money together to build a new opera house, the house had to move again. And it moved down Rose Street with the idea of ending up at the corner of Vine and Westnedge. But when it hit the corner of Vine and West Lovell, the owner of the house there, Dr. Foster Pratt, said he did not want anybody to cut his lovely trees out front in order to allow this house to pass. And so the house stalled there for a week in the middle of the street until Peyton Ranney could come down from his vacation in Charlevoix on the train and fix it all up. So the house moved. Eventually it moved all the way to where it ended up today, but it was cut in half in the process in order to make the move. So after it was cut in half, between these windows on this side we can see here behind me, it ended up here on the corner of South Westnedge and West Vine Street. You can't see the seam anymore because it's been covered up with insul brick siding probably around the 1930s, but it's there. And that's the saga of Kalamazoo's first mobile home.